Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so, and then do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles, and next locate the hotspot toggle. Now there's multiple pages, so you can swipe to the left to switch between them. Okay, so for me it is right over here. I missed it the first time around because it is grayed out, and the reason for that is the battery, or not battery, but data saver is enabled. Now, something stupid about this feature is the fact that you actually don't have a way to quickly turn it off. So it just tells you, yeah, battery saver is on, go screw yourself. At least that's how I feel. So for me, if you also have this thing, I guess you can follow me along, but I will need to quickly disable the shitty battery saver, or not, data saver, sorry. So that is probably located in network and internet. See, mobile, nope, not in here. Not in here. I always love this option. You know, I'm just gonna search for it. What is it called? Data. Are you kidding me here? Oh boy. There we go. So not only doesn't it show it when you search for it, it's hidden in the settings. It's such a dog shit feature. Just Motorola, if you're gonna include this, at least make it available somewhat easily. But anyway, now that we got that garbage disabled, let's find the toggle once more, and this time around it should be, there we go, pressable, so we can hold it first time around, and this will quickly take us to the settings. And in here we can start off with hotspot password, which is randomly generated. Now by default doesn't look too good, so I do recommend removing it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers or both. Once you confirm that, you can also go over the other options right here, though they are set in a way that they will allow you the best versatility, or compatibility probably would be the better word for this. So default wise, you can use the widest array of devices and they should all work, but if you change some of the settings, that might no longer be the case. Anyway, I'm gonna close this. Let's find the toggle once more, and this time around we're just gonna simply tap on it to enable it. And from now on you can just connect to your hotspot. Now, hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, just find the toggle once more and slap on it once again to just disable it. And in the settings there might be an option which I didn't check. Timeout setting, yes, we do have it. So by default the actual hotspot will turn off after 10 minutes of an activity when it detects no data being used. If you find it to be too short, you can increase the duration right here. Now I don't actually recommend turning it off though. Well, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.